Good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, we have discussed up to handsheet 2. And now, in concept 3, let us learn one theorem. The condition that line, the condition theorem. The condition that the line y equal to mx plus c may be a tangent to the parabola y square equal to 4ax is c by m. The condition that the line y equal to mx plus c may be a tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is c by m. Now, the equation of a tangent yt equal to x plus 8 square. Yt equal to x plus 8 square. The given line equal to y equal to mx plus c. Okay. Now, two equations. Equation 1, yt equal to x plus 8 square. Y equal to mx plus c. Okay. X minus yt plus 8 square. This is mx minus y equal to mx plus c. Here mx minus y plus c. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now, equation 1 and 2 represents same lines. So, this is x minus yt plus 8 square mx minus y plus c equal to 0. Equal to second equation. Okay. What is the first equation? Yt equal to x plus 8 square. It is the equation of the tangent. The given line equal to y is equal to mx plus c. So, equation 1 and equation 2 represent the same line. That's why. Compare the two equations 1 by m. What is the x coefficient? 1. What is the x coefficient here? m. 1 by m equal to yt y. Here t by 1. Here y quotient t. Ty or yt. What is the quotient of y? Here t. Here 1. T by 1 equal to at square by c. Now t equal to 1 by m and at square by c equal to 1 by m. That means at square equal to c by m. At square equal to c by m and at square equal to c by m. A, what is the t value here? 1 by m. That means 1 by m square equal to c by m. Now m cancel m square one time. That means c a by m equal to c. Then c equal to a by m. We got it. Okay, once again here the condition that the line y is equal to mx plus c may be a tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is c by m. Condition. Now the equation of the tangent yt equal to x plus 8 square. Now the given line y equal to mx plus c. Now just rearrange the equations. Equation 1 is written as this yt by the transformation minus yt plus 8 square. Next y equal to mx plus c. Mx minus y plus c. See, this is the second equation. Equation 1 and equation 2 represent same lines. That's compare the quotient of x and y. Here, what is the quotient of x? 1 by here m 1 by m. Here the quotient of y t. Here minus both are equal. T by 1 equal to 8 square by c. 8 square by c. So from that t equal to 1 by m. T equal to 1 by m. Next 8 square by c equal to 1 by m. 8 square by c equal to 1 by m. Now 8 square equal to c by m. We know that substituting t value from that a by t value 1 by m. That means a by m square equal to c by m. M cancelling m square one time. That means a by m equal to c. C equal to a by m. So we got the required condition c equal to a by m. Now point of contact equal to 80 square comma 280. We know that point of contact px1 comma y1. Px1 comma y1 means 80 square comma 280. Next step, point of contact. Okay, 80 square already we know that c by m. 280 2a t value 2a by m. Again c equal to a by m. That means a by m square comma 2a by m. Finally this is point of contact. A square comma 280. That means 80 square means we got here 80 square equal to c by m. So we have to express 80 square comma 280 in the form of a and m. That why 80 square equal to c by m. 2a by m means 280 means 2a. T means 1 by m. 2a by m. Yes, again c means a by m. So a by m into m square. A by m square. Next theorem. The condition that the condition that the line Lx plus my equal to 0 may touch the parabola y square equal to 4ax is ln equal to am square. Okay, the condition that the line Lx plus my plus n equal to 0 may touch the parabola y square equal to 4ax is ln equal to am square. The same way we have to prove that theorem what we have proved it previously. Okay, now the equation of tangent yt equal to x plus it square. Next, given line Lx plus my plus n equal to 0. Now this is x minus yt plus at square equal to 0. Next, Lx plus my plus n equal to 0. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Equation 1 and 2 represents equation 1 and 2 represent same lines. Represents same lines. Okay, what is the quotient of x1? 1 by L equal to here quotient of y here m, here quotient of y t, so minus t by m. And at square by n. Okay, here 1 by L equal to minus t by m. Lx, what is the quotient of x? 1 by L, here quotient minus t, here m, minus t by m. So minus t by m equal to 1 by L, that means t equal to minus m by L. Again at square equal to at square by n equal to 1 by L, at square equal to n by L. Now at square by n by L. What is the t value here? A by a, t value m by L, that means a m square by L square, that means n by L. So L cancelling L square one time, So am square by L equal to n. Am square equal to nl. So that is the required condition here. Ln equal to am square and Ln equal to am square. Okay, look at theorem. The condition that the line Lx plus my plus n equal to 0 make thus the parabola y square is equal to 4an is Ln equal to am square. So take the equation of the tangent yt equal to x plus 8 square. So we know that the given line Lx plus my plus n equal to 0. So equation 1 and equation 2 by the rearrangement x minus yt plus 8 square equal to 0. So Lx plus my plus n equal to 0. So equation 1 and equation 2 represent the same line. So here the quotient of x 1. So here L 1 by L equal to so minus t by m. What is the quotient of y? T minus t. What is the quotient of y? Here m. So minus t by m. Here again 80 square by m. So take here minus t by m equal to 1 by L. That means t equal to minus m by the transposition t equal to minus m by L. Here again 80 square by n equal to 1 by L. So we need 80 square equal to n by L. Again substitute t value in 80 square. T value m by L. That means a m square by L square equal to n by L. So L cancel in L square one time. Am square by L equal to n. So am square equal to n into L. Nn. So Ln equal to am square. So this is the required condition for the theorem. Now point of contact. Point of contact equal to 80 square comma 280. 80 square value n by L. 2a. What is the t value here? Minus m by L. That means n by L comma minus 2a by 2am by L. So n by L comma minus 2a by L. So that is the point of contact. Okay, next, this is the point of contact of the theorem. 80 square comma 280 equal to n by L comma 2a into minus m by L. So minus 2a m by L. Next one, the equation to the normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax and having the slope m is y equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. Theorem. The equation to the normal to the parabola y square equal to 4ax and having slope m and having slope m is y equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube minus am cube. So what is the theorem? The equation to the normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4a and having the slope m is y equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. So we know that equation to the normal y plus xt equal to 280 plus 80 cube. The equation to the normal equal to y plus xt 280 plus 80 cube. Y plus xt equal to 280 plus 80 cube. It is the equation of the normal to the parabola. The equation to the normal y plus xt equal to 280 plus 80 cube. Now y plus xt equal to 280 plus 80 cube, which is the given equation normal. By the rearrangement y equal to minus 60 minus tx or minus dx plus 280 plus 80 cube. Compare with y equal to mx plus c. Compare with y equal to mx plus c. Y plus xt equal to 280 plus 80 cube. It is a given normal equation. Now, by the rearrangement y equal to xt means tx or xt minus tx plus 280 plus 80. Compare with y equal to mx plus c. Here m means slope. What is the m value? Here m equal to minus t. Slope here what is getting the equation to the normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4x having the slope m equal to minus t. So then t equal to minus m. Substitute. This is equation 1. Substitute t equal to minus m in equation 1. After the rearrangement y equal to minus tx plus 280 plus 80. Compare with y is equal to mx plus c. In the place of m, which one is there? Minus t is there. So m equal to minus t, then t equal to minus m. So substitute t equal to minus m in equation 1. So y equal to t place in the place of t, which one we have to substitute? Minus m. Minus into minus plus mx again 2am minus 2am minus minus into minus m into x plus 2a into minus m plus a into minus m whole cube. Substitute t equal to minus m in the equation 1. Minus t into x, t value minus m, minus of minus m into x plus 2a into t minus m plus a into t cube minus m cube. So y equal to minus into minus plus mx minus into plus minus 2am plus this is minus cube means minus am cube. So this is the required slope. If slope m is the slope of the having the slope m is y equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. So this is the required one. Y equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. Okay, look at once. Theorem. The equation to the normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax and having the slope m equal to y equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. So equation to the normal we know that y plus xt equal to 2at plus 80 cube. So after the rearrangement y equal to minus tx plus 2at plus 80 cube. So by the it is plus xt transpose minus tx. So here slope m equal to compared to the y equal to mx plus c. In the place of m, which one is there? Minus t. Slope of normal m equal to minus t. Then t equal to minus m. Substitute t equal to minus m in the equation 1. So y equal to plus into minus plus mx minus 2am minus am. So y equal to mx minus 2am minus am. So this is the another theorem. Now notations. Okay, let the equation of the parabola y square equal to 4ax, then s equal to y square minus 4ax. It is denoted y square is equal to 4ax, y square minus 4ax equal to 0. So the equation of the parabola is denoted by s, denoted by yes. So s equal to y square minus 4ax, s1 equal to y1 square minus 2a into x plus x1, and y2 s2 equal to s2 s1 equal to y1 minus 2a into x plus x1, s2 equal to y2 minus 2a x plus x2, and S12 equal to y1 y2 plus 2 y1 y2 minus 2a into x1 plus x2 and S11 equal to y1 square minus 4a x1. These are the notations of the equation parabola y square is equal to 4ax. So y square is equal to 4ax, y square minus 4ax is equal to 0. Y square minus 4ax equal to 0 and s is equal to y square minus 4ax denoted by s. So s is equal to y square minus 4ax. S1 equal to y1. Y square means y1 minus 2a into x 2ax plus, okay, again this is a minus, this is a minus. So 4ax is written as 2a into x plus x1. S2 equal to y2 minus 2a into x plus x2. S12 means y1 y2 minus 2a into s1 plus s2. So all these are notations are derived for the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. S12 equal to y2 minus 2a x1 plus x2. S11 is equal to y1 square minus 4a x1. So these are the notations of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Okay students, this is the class of the today. Next concepts, line by tomorrow.